Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ my name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken and lobster ravioli soup. Today's recipe I come up with the idea for the ravioli soup because I'm tired to use all this sauce all the time. The pasta sauce, whatever you have in your pantry, whatever you have in your favorite. So because sometimes I find the discount, the ravioli discount, so I stock them a lot and then I'm gonna end up to eat with all this different sauce. So sometimes you get boring with that. So today we're gonna come up with some good idea ravioli lobster soup. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to cook on my big stove. So because it's a soup and here we do the pot that I use. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the heat. Alright, and first I'm going to add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Okay, just a second. Wait until the cooking oil a little bit warm. Okay, first I have to cook the chopped garlic. Okay, so the chopped garlic go in. And give them stir just about 10 seconds. Alright. And next I'm going to add onion. I use the white onion. I use quarter the white onion and chop them to the little cube. Alright, and give them the stir. Okay, for when you put the onion about 10 or 15 seconds, now I'm gonna add the chicken. I use 1 pound chicken thigh and also I cut into the bite size. I remove a little bit extra fat. Okay. Gonna let the chicken thigh sear inside the pot. Okay, I put the chicken inside the pot about 20 seconds to let it sear from one side. So now I'm gonna mix. Okay. Give them the good mix. Okay. Not worry about the little bit the stuck on the bottom of the pot because we're gonna add the chicken broth anyway. Okay, next I'm going to add the chicken stock. I use the 6 cup chicken stock. Okay, that's why it's really come to the top because it's a 4 cup measuring cup, but I use 6 cup. Okay. Okay. And this chicken stock is the unsalted chicken stock. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lid on and turn to the high heat and let to come to be boiled, and then we come back to the next step. Okay, and now our chicken broth is start getting boiled. Look at this. Wow, the onion, garlic, and chicken smell really good right now. Okay, and so next I'm going to add our ravioli. Lobster ravioli. You don't have to use the lobster ravioli. If you don't like it, you can use your favorite ravioli or different one that you like it, whatever you like. Okay, and I'm going to let them cook. For this one they cook for 4 minutes, so however you choose, just let them cooking. Okay, and now being 3 minutes that I let our ravioli cook, so next I'm going to add the seasoning. I'm going to use the salt and pepper for this one because I don't want the flavor to go over the soup. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons salt because the chicken stock is unsalted, so sometimes the salt it depends what the chicken stock that you use to, or you just give them the taste, put just a little bit and give them the taste, and you can just whatever you happy with. Okay, and I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon black pepper, or just up to you too for the black pepper. You can, if you don't like a lot, you can just use a little bit too. Okay, now being 4 minutes, just give your soup the taste, and then if you're happy with this, next I'm going to add about 4 cups the spinach. Okay. or you can choose your favorite vegetable if you don't like spinach. Okay, and spinach is cooked very fast, so now we're done. Okay, I'm gonna turn the stove off, and very quick and easy, that's it. And you're gonna have a beautiful topping with a fresh tomato, some lime, some jalapeno, and some green onion also. Okay, now I'm ready to put everything together. Look at it, how finished. Wow. Nice and hot. This is an easy recipe for your weekday or you want for your weekend. It's easy and delicious. Okay, and now I'm gonna put mustard, like one more piece. Okay, and for topping, now I'm going to add some fresh tomato. Just put mustard you like, fresh tomato, some jalapeno. Same thing with the jalapeno, how spicy you can handle. And also gonna topping with a green onion to give you extra fresh flavor. Almost forget to add lime. No. Lime is my favorite. I will add a different flavor into this soup. So don't forget lime. Okay, and now I'm ready to try the soup. Okay, just give this a good mix. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. Alright, and I'm just gonna open one of the ravioli. I just cut in half. Oh, I love sour when it touches to my tongue, the sour. Okay, I'm gonna try one more bite. This one I'm gonna grab with the spinach and chicken and little bit of everything. I know it not look nice right now because I put a two really big spoon. But it's so good. It's so refreshing and change all the favorite profile and the normal your ravioli dinner. This is currently, it will be easy and you're going to love this. Alright, and then I cannot wait to finish this bowl. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.